Bro, yeah, that's it.
Shut the up.
That's it.
Shut up.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I've been waiting for this video for a long time. Finally pulled the trigger on something. I have something really exciting to share with you guys. For the longest time, one of the main comments I got, where's your manifold, Ethan? Where's your manifold? Where's your manifold? Where's your manifold? Here it is. Here's a video, okay? Thank you for being patient. Let's get right into it. I have the manifold right here, people. This is not your standard manifold, though. Promise you. Take a look at this. And this kit comes with some lines. Honestly, not sure what those are for. Because I assumed that it was like what these serve a purpose as, but it is not the same. So those are your coolant pipes, just some hardware. Here's some injector spacers, your orb fittings for the end of your fuel line, some O-rings, some bolts, some injector clips, some more hardware, worm clamps. These go into these to connect to your factory coolant lines. So that's pretty cool. Some more hardware, some extended hardware. Another L pipe, some manifold O-rings, your phenolic spacer. And here's the port injection rail. Take a look at that in a second. And the manifold itself. So this is the manifold right here. It is huge. So this is 20% bigger than your standard manifolds. Like your, I'm not gonna call them out. The standard size manifold is 20% smaller than this. I'll say that. Super nice. It's all billet. The machining on it's really nice. Those dimes, are you kidding me? It already has port block offs as standard. Here's where those coolant pipes go on the back here. It has some auxiliary ports on the side right here. Overall, super nice. And the manifold is labeled EVO right here. And the EVO label on the side of it is indicative of the latest and greatest out of China. Yes, this is a Chinese manifold. This is the CSF Race X clone manifold. And I don't know if you checked the price on those lately, but this is for a fraction of the price. Now here is the port injection rail. Look at that. You can see right through it there. I'm actually taking this up to my powder coat shop in the next 20 minutes here. Have to drop this off and get this powder coated the same color as the turbo. I'm gonna do that blue color, and then I'm getting this manifold coated in black. And this is a 4.5-inch core. See the core on the inside? That thing's huge. Now you can choose between raw, which is this one, red and black when you order it, but the red and black are textured. I don't have anything else textured in this engine bay, so I'm just gonna match it to this black color right here. It's like a satin semi-gloss kind of thing. But yeah, gonna get that powder coated in black. That's in an upcoming video. Gonna get the port injection rail powder coated in blue. Yeah, just sort of an overview of what you get in this kit is everything you need to install it. These are if you have like weird size injectors. I won't be using that. These orb fittings I'll probably put in there to plug off the ends, but let's see here. These are to secure the port rail to the manifold. We'll be using these. I won't be using these seals though. My injectors have seals. Coolant pipes, again, not really sure what the hell these are for, but now I'm in a unique position in that I have a relationship with the seller of this manifold, the direct supplier in China. And while you can buy this at another US retailer, I can get them to the US in less than 2 weeks and for $100 less. I can get this entire kit with the phenolic spacer, with that, even if you wanted powder coated the red or black that I talked about earlier, or if you just wanted the raw, it doesn't change the price on it at all. And I'm doing group orders for these, so $2,100 a person per manifold shipped to your door. I'm only doing PayPal goods and services, so put that fee on top of there. $2,100 in my account, you pay the fee, and I'll have this manifold to your door in less than 2 weeks. Like I mentioned before, this is 20 to 25% larger than your standard billet intake manifold. As far as quality goes, half you guys are already using this brand, you don't even know it. It's resold so many times with different brandings on it. It's a good manifold. Osprey Performance in Europe actually uses this exact manifold on Jamie's G42, officially Gas's G42, that purple one. And they switched from a much more reputable brand to this one, if that tells you anything. But yeah, $2,100. If you can find a better price than that from someone in the US, let me know, because I guarantee you're not gonna be able to. You're more than welcome to try and go find it for yourself. I'm not discouraging anyone from doing that. I know a lot of you guys have seen my Alibaba video. You're more than welcome to try and go find this seller yourself, but I'm taking all the headache out of it. Taking orders, I'll do one big group order maybe once a month if that's what the volume comes down to. But I ordered 2 at a time last time. I surprised my buddy with it. I told him it was getting here next week and actually pulled up to his house and revealed it to him. Here's that clip. Shit spilled in my trunk, dude.
You want a Gatorade?
Sure.
Bro, yeah, that's it.
Shut the fuck up.
That's it.
Shut up.
Take it out of there. Get her on out of there, bud.
Holy shit, dude.
Just grab it. Yeah, grab it by the bottom. I had to open it to make sure that it wasn't fucked, but.
So dumb. Let's check this out, dude. CSF. Oh yeah, dude. This is the spacer, all the hardware. So this is everything.
Uh-huh. I don't know what the fuck those are for. I think those might be like if you want to make your own fuel lines type shit. But I'm not using those. Because these are the coolant
Are these
pipes.
like the port rails?
Yeah, that's the port rail. These are like the coolant pipes that go to the back.
Holy shit. Oh, this is mine.
Yeah, that's
Oh
yours.
shit.
Dude, it's fucking huge.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
You can't post about it yet. You can't post about
I
it yet.
won't. Can I send it to the
Yeah,
homies?
you can send it to the group chat. Don't post publicly though, because I gotta fucking. Yeah.
Holy shit.
Bro, take that fucker out of there. It is fat, bro.
Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Dude, it doesn't even come. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, this fucking thing is huge.
Yeah, they turned out super good.
I mean, look at the fucking dimes on this thing. Some Chinese kid laid dimes on my manifold. Shout out to him.
Yeah, not a bunch going on in this video. Just kind of wanted to show you guys, give you guys the opportunity to order if you wanted to do that, or try and find it yourself if you also wanted to do that. If it becomes popular enough, I might partner with someone and just order a bunch of these to the US and just have them ready to go. Or even start offering custom powder coating, whatever color you want. Let me know if that's something you guys are interested in. Unfortunately, these are not available for the Gen 1s just yet. This is only Gen 2. Good news for you mild hybrid guys, the M340 people, the 48 volt mild hybrid. This is compatible with that. As I'm sure you guys have guessed, I'll have a full install video on how to install this, uninstall this, reinstall that, as well as I'm going out to Utah to Black Market Race headquarters. We're gonna be filming a bunch of content with them. We're gonna be going over how to build a complete custom fuel system for these for half the price of the big brands. Same quality internals, but you're doing a DIY style, so you save a bunch of the labor. Give me some video ideas down in the comments on what you guys wanna see with Black Market Race. By the time you guys are watching this week I'll be flying out to Utah. So I need some comments below with some video ideas on what you guys wanna see with Black Market Race. We'll be doing a bunch of stuff for their channel, a bunch of stuff for my channel. He's actually gonna be powder coating this for me. But yeah, gonna go drop this fuel rail off at the powder coating shop. I'll show you guys when this gets back in the next video. If you guys have any questions, of course, as always, DM me on Instagram. That's where I respond to the fastest. If you guys are interested in ordering one of these for yourself, again, PayPal goods and services only, hit me up on Instagram. Here's my Instagram right here. The price on this is $2,100. I think with PayPal goods and services fees is about $2,160 if I'm not mistaken. It's a 2.99% fee. So just keep that in mind. There's one other person that I know of that's selling these and they're selling them for $2,200 plus tax plus shipping. So I'm offering 21 plus the, plus whatever fee that PayPal charges. And that's $2,100 shipped to your door in the lower 48. I did just talk to my powder coating guy. He said that he'd be willing to do some manifolds if you guys are interested in that. I'll put a link to the Prismatic website here. DM me the color. I'll get you a full quote on what it would be to get a custom manifold done in whatever color you'd like. And I'm not gonna charge anything on top of that, just whatever his labor would be. I think for me, black with the pop of blue on the port rail would be the best choice for me, but we're one step closer to port injection so we can really start to send this thing. As always, appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.